Sally wants to read a story? Okay, call her. Tell her.
Woody, Sally.
Sal, okay, read your story. Desi, you gonna read it?
Sally, come in. Sally wants the computer.
Oh, she's just gonna listen from over here. Can you read it?
I'm gonna read. Sally wants to. Can you Sally up, Mama? Can you Sally up, Mama?
Sally can't sit on the bench. That's just for you.
Mama? Sally wants to get up, Mama, and read her story.
Okay. Look it. She wants to hear it.
7 minutes. And a hen and a hawk, and sometimes in the home, and listen to the home. There was a princess sleeping. The princess is sleeping. There's so many fairies. It was her birthday. Happy birthday. She went up the stairs, and she would come up and take her. Ouch! This pinched. Good night. This sweet peel. 7 minutes. Get her all wake up. And I want a birthday party. All done. That's a good book. 7 minutes. Sally wants to get up and listen to it.
You got a different book?
Sally wants to come. Sally wants to sit up. Sally wants to sit up, Mia.
Maybe she just wants to lay down.
Mama, what's this, Mama?